Float bumps are marketed as motorized inflatable watercraft that promise a fun and effortless way to cruise around lakes, pools, and other calm waterways. The promotional videos make them look fast, exciting, and easy to use, but the real question is, what doesn't the marketing say? Now, to be fair, motorized inflatables are a legitimate recreational product category and can be a fun way to enjoy calm water when used safely. What it does well: fun recreational experience. They offer a unique way to relax and explore calm lakes, pools, and sheltered waterways. Portable design. Being inflatable makes them easy to transport, store, and set up, where the hype falls apart. They're not built for speed. Despite the exciting advertisements, they're much slower than jet skis or other personal watercraft. Battery life varies. Actual runtime depends on rider weight, speed, and water conditions. Inflatables require careful handling. Sharp objects, rough surfaces, and improper storage can damage the material. So, should you buy float bumps? Short answer: yes, if you're looking for a fun novelty watercraft. If you want a relaxing way to cruise around calm water, they may be worth considering. But if you're expecting high-speed thrills or rough water performance, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.